Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at Flux, an open source AI model designed for image generation. In just a couple of minutes, you'll understand how it works and why it's making waves in the AI community. So, what exactly is Flux? It's a powerful AI model built on machine learning principles to create stunning and unique images. Similar to popular models like DALL-E, Flux allows users to generate artwork, design assets, or even experimental visuals, all by providing simple text prompts. Here's how it works. You give Flux a description, like a sunset over a futuristic city, and the model processes that input to generate a custom image based on the patterns it learned from vast datasets. The best part? It's completely open source, meaning anyone can access, modify, and contribute to the project. What sets Flux apart is its open source nature. You can download and run it locally, giving you full control over the model and the image generation process, even allowing manual instruction inputs. But if you prefer a more accessible option, Flux is available on services like replicate.com, where you can generate images at an incredibly low cost, 333 images for just $1. Flux is still evolving, and its potential is vast. From creative industries to research, Flux is paving the way for how we think about AI and art. Whether you're a developer or a digital artist, Flux gives you the tools to explore your creativity. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to try Flux yourself or learn more about it, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on AI and open source innovations. See you next time.